Welcome to my video. Today I will be installing Windows Server 2019, the semi-annual channel. The other option for Server 2019 is the long-term service channel. I will make a future video going over the differences as well as the new features in Server 2019. Here we have the regular install screen, similar as before. Install now, same as in the previous releases. Same setup as starting screen as previous versions. We have an option of standard and data center. You may notice that the GUI and core options are not here. Do a custom install on our hard drive space that's allocated. Copy files. I sped up this portion. It only took a couple minutes total. Restart the VM. I have this VM running on VMware Workstation Professional, which is running on my Windows 10 computer. Here we have our familiar Windows 10 boot screen, which is carried over to Server 2016 and Server 2019. Starting services, getting devices ready, pretty much similar to what you're used to, especially with Windows 10, and very similar to Windows 7 and 8. One last reboot. And here comes the login screen and first setup. And if you notice, we're at a command prompt. That is because the semi-annual channel is only Windows Core, so there is no desktop GUI. Hence why the option was missing in the setup. Create a new password for Windows as the administrator account. Confirm the password. Password's been changed. Now we have our command prompt. And what can we do here? From here we have sconfig.cmd, just like previous core versions of Windows. You see it has a default random name. We're in a work group. Has remote management enabled by default. Windows update settings are download only. Remote desktop is disabled. Rename the server 2019 core. Reboot to make the name effective. Like all newer operating systems from Microsoft, there's telemetry included, whether you like it or not. There's some information about very basics of what they might or might not collect. That's interesting. The state says unknown. I wonder if that's a release candidate bug. Doesn't seem to change no matter which options you choose. Let's go ahead and I forgot to change the NIC adapter to my other network, so I'll need to correct that and get the correct IP address in there from my lab. Thank you for watching. I'll create new videos in the future.